We go in, the roof has been recently done. You can see the shingles are in great shape. And then they also have a what is going on? Today we are in Whitby's Pringle Creek area and we are touring a 4-level side split. It is Pringle Creek, so it's super central to everything. You are at Garden and Manning is the main intersection. You're close to Roslyn, so you have tons of shopping there with a Short No Frills, Shopper Drug Mart, some restaurants. You keep going north to Taunton, you got tons of shopping there as well. And then if you head south, you got the 401 GO station, so you have the convenient for the commuting. So I'm super excited to show you the inside of this one. So let's turn the camera around and we'll get started on that right now. So this is the house here, and then the street. You have tons of mature trees that come fall time is can have a lot of leaves on the floor, but it's great for shade, privacy, and just the beautiful neighborhood. So it is, it does have a double car garage, but they have converted, this used to be like a double. Somewhere along the lines, before these owners had it, they converted that into like a man door. So it was better for their business at the time. And then you go to this side, you have your air conditioner. The air conditioner has been done over the last couple of years, so you don't have to worry about having to like replace any of that. You have like an interlock type driveway. Not driveway, well, driveway, but interlock side of the house path, and then driveway as well. Privacy fence, backyard's fully fenced. And then nicely landscaped with the interlock. And then landscaped gardens, that kind of thing. The big bay window, which is great if you have a dog like me. Guarantee you my dog will be up there waiting for me to come home. So that's the outside. Actually, before we go in, the roof has been recently done. You can see the shingles are in great shape. And then they also have a gutter guard, which is on there. And it just protects leaves from going in there and clogging the gutters. So those are all good things. Let's step in and we will continue the tour. Welcome inside. My name is Brad Gates and I am a local realtor here in the Durham region. I have helped so many people looking to move here and I absolutely love it. So if you want that help, all you have to do is call, text, email, send the carrier pigeon, whatever is easiest. And I'm here to make everything go so much easier. I can't wait to show you the inside of this home and it's a great layout. I absolutely love splits, whether it be side split or back split. You just feel like the home keeps going on forever. So without too much more talking, let's just turn the camera around and I will show you this 4-level side split, and we'll do that right now. So as soon as you kind of walk in, you have your staircase to the left to go up and down, and then your kitchen around the corner, dining room, living room. And that's the bay window sitting area. Windows have been done recently and they're vinyl, so you don't have to worry. So this here is what actually makes it a side split. The fact that you walk in and then it splits on the left, or if it were to split on the right, that would be considered a side split. So you have the open concept main floor, and then you have your backyard entrance there. So we're in the living room. They got like a great maple hardwood floor that they've done. And then you have room for a dining room. And then you have your kitchen. So this is the kitchen. It has the quartz countertop, stainless steel appliances. You have the fridge, stove, over the range microwave, and then there's a dishwasher over there as well. The cabinets are a wood cabinet that you can see. So it's nice. Normally, not always, but sometimes you'll see homes where the kitchen looks really nice, but it's done cheaply. So that's not the case here. It was done with good materials, which makes it much better, especially if you're looking to buy a home that has the kitchen already done. You don't want it to look nice, but not last. So that's where it's good that it was done properly. You have like your little servery area here, and then tons of counter space, cabinet space, that kind of thing. So the kitchen. And then you go through and then you get to the back door. So I really like the backyard. So you have this like massive deck that you see here, great for a barbecue, stuff like that. And then you have more interlock that's been done. So you don't have much grass to have to cut, anything like that. You do have this gazebo, so it's great if you're here during rain or something like that. It is somewhere that you could sit outside and you don't have to worry. And then you have the shed, which is great for storage. So you just kind of get more storage. so you don't have to fill your garage with all your outdoor stuff. You have somewhere on the inside to do that. And then you do have a little grass sitting area like this. Tons of garden beds throughout. So if you are into landscaping, flowers, that kind of stuff, you do have a great base that's already here. You have a huge maple tree that's kind of right up there too. So it's really nice if you're looking for that kind of home. Same thing for the shingles on the back. The whole roof was done recently. All of the gutters have those rain guards on there, so as leaves fall, they won't go down into the gutters, which is really good. One last look at the backyard before we go in. And then you even have more interlock over there. And dishwasher. And that's the kitchen. So we will go upstairs first to the 3 bedrooms. 1 bathroom is up here. So we'll start at the bedroom here. So this is bedroom number 1, we'll call it. You've got a closet and window. Overlooks the backyard, so great privacy here as well. That here is just access into the attic. We don't really need to see that, but it will just go show you the insulation. So it's good that there's a ton of insulation in here because it will just help increase your efficiency of the house. And then bedroom number 2. So this is like a nursery setup right now. And then, yeah, same thing, closet. And then the window is to the side of the house. We do have a linen closet, which is good for laundry, linens, cleaning stuff. Here's the bathroom. So this is a semi-ensuite, so you get access to here from the hallway, but then also the primary bedroom. And it is a 4-piece. You have 1 piece at the top, 2, 3, 4. That's how they count that. Bathroom's in good shape. Then we'll go into primary bedroom here. So it's front, overlooks the front of the house, and you just have king size bed, 2 night tables there, just to help put the room into a little bit better of a perspective. And then here's the other door to that same bathroom that we just came out of. Going to the lower level. So this is where the furnace and laundry room is. So it's not quite basement level laundry. You got laundry, washer and dryer, and then your tankless hot water system is there as well. So you'll never run out of hot water, which is great, especially if you have a larger family. And then the furnace, it's a newer furnace. It's Carrier brand, so that's one of the larger brands around here. Good thing with Carrier is it's a little bit on the easier side to fix because it's just easy to get parts. And then this here would be for the air conditioner. So the house does have air conditioning. This is the garage. So as you can see, that's a double door. Well, it's a single door here, but if you just extended it, you would have a double car garage as well. And then you have your electrical panel, which is on breakers and fuses. Sorry, fuses. And we have a light. And then here is the basement level. So set up as like a big rec room, and there's a bathroom down here. It is a fireplace. So what a lot of people do is, because now they don't want wood burning, they just put a gas insert to there, or electric, and that's not too bad. Not too hard to do. And here is the second bathroom. So there's a 3-piece. The stand-up shower counts as 1, toilet, and then the sink here is, well, 2, and then 3. Then you got a little bit of storage as well. More storage. This is a freezer here, and then there's a fridge. So you got some extra room to store stuff. And then this is just another little storage room as well. This is the back of the fridge. So if you've ever seen what a back of a fridge looks like, this is what it looks like, in case you never have. And then just some built-in shelves here. And then we go here. Water meter. So if you ever have to kind of let the municipality know what the water number is, that's where you get it from. And then you have an electrical panel. It's a 200 amp panel, you can see from there, and there's some room left on it. So yeah, let's go back up to the main floor. Well, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and then if you want to see more content just like this, please subscribe to the channel. Lets me know people are enjoying what I'm putting out there, but then it will also let YouTube know people are enjoying it as well and push it out in front of other people. I have lived in Whitby since 2019, so I've grown very accustomed to the area. I've helped so many people looking to move here and absolutely love it. So if you want that help, all you have to do, call, text, email, send the carrier pigeon, whatever is easiest for you, and I'm just here to make everything go so much easier. I have tons of video on my channel, so be sure to check that out. Give yourself a little bit of time because there's a lot of videos out there. Yeah, I hope to hear from you, and I hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks again, and until next time.